A frequent question for researchers is whether or not the journal they're using is peer-reviewed or academic and scholarly. A source exists to answer this question. It's called Ulrichs Periodical Directory. To locate it at the University of Toronto, you want to go to the Catalog button on the library's home page. Click on the button, select Title as your search field because we do know the title of what we're looking for, in this case Ulrichs Periodical Directory, and click on the search button. 4 entries will show up. We're interested in the first one because it allows us to access an electronic version. So we go down to the link within the box and click. Ulrichs will now appear on the screen, and you have a search box to enter your terms, your title, whatever you're looking for. In this case, I want to look for the Journal of Islamic Studies. Now, the Journal of Islamic Studies, as you might see here, has many, many hits. That's because this is an international directory, and you can imagine the many, many thousand publications that are available. The thing is to closely look at the entry to see what you're looking for. In this case, I'm going to look across the top one, and you see when I get to status, it says researched and unresolved. That's probably not the journal that we're trying to answer the question on. We're probably looking for an active journal. And if we go below, we'll see that there are 2 entries with active from the Oxford University Press, and they are print and online versions, each with a different entry. Either version, if you click on the title, it will then bring you up basic information on the publication. 2 lines are especially important to you in this basic description. Refereed. Refereed is another way of saying peer-reviewed. And in this case it says yes. And as a visual cue, you have the refereed shirt, the striped shirt, just beside it. If you go down a little bit further, there's a line indicating content type, and it says academic and scholarly. This is the type of publication that we're probably interested in and would actually like to find articles on particular topics. If you want to do this, an index is an excellent way to organize your search. And in this resource, if you click on Abstracts and Indexing, it will provide you with a list of indexes and databases where this publication is indexed, which would allow you to put in a topic and get a list of potential references. As you can see, many of these titles are available at the University of Toronto. Another favorite query is the idea that this journal is on an excellent topic area that I'm interested in. Are there any more like this? And if you click on subject classifications, it will tell you that this journal is classified under Religions and Theology Islamic. And if you click on the link, it will give you a list of more titles like this. A word of caution though, the list may be in many languages, but even more importantly, it doesn't necessarily mean that because you started from a peer-reviewed journal that the list is of other peer-reviewed journals. You have to check every possible listing because each could be a newsletter, a magazine, all kinds of different things. So now you know how to find out if it's peer-reviewed or academic and scholarly.